What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car buffers on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Chemical Guy's TORQX Complete Detailing Kit. If you're looking for a top-notch kit that gives you everything you need to buff your vehicle like a pro, then the Chemical Guy's TORQX Complete Detailing Kit is what you need. Not only does it come with a top-notch TORQX buffer, but it has the microfiber rags, conditioning cloths, and cleaning and conditioning compounds you need to buff, clean, and polish your vehicle. The buffer itself has a variable speed between 1200 and 4200 RPM, which lets you get the exact amount of movement you need for the job. Not only that, but it's a dual-action movement polisher for even higher quality results. Not only does this Chemical Guy's TORQX Complete Detailing Kit give you everything you need to get started, but it gives you everything you need for professional quality results. Add in the outstanding price tag, and it's a no-brainer as our top choice. We do wish that the 5.5's buffing pad was a little bit bigger, but since most pads are 6, it's not like you're losing a ton of size with this kit.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is BLACK+DECKER Polisher. If you don't want to spend a ton of money, but still need a top-notch buffer for your vehicle, then the BLACK+DECKER 6 Random Orbit Waxer Boxer of New is an outstanding choice. While you'll need to invest in the buffing pads and compounds before you can use it, since you're getting the orbital buffer for such a great price that's not a huge deal. It's a small and lightweight device that uses a 6 pad. Moreover, the double-handle design makes it easy to control even in tight spaces. But with all of those perks, the most important reason that the BLACK+DECKER 6 Random Orbit Waxer Polisher earned this spot comes down to its durability. Even with this lower price tag, it'll last year after year, no matter how much you use it. However, it is a lower-priced option, and that really shines through with the features. It only has one speed, and at 4400 RPM, it's a little fast for finer applications. Moreover, it doesn't come with any chemicals, microfiber rags, or even buffing discs, so you'll need to make more purchases before you can use it. But at this price point, you're still getting a great deal, even without all those accessories.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Meguiar's Professional MT300 Day Polisher. If you're looking for a professional quality car buffer that you can use year after year without any problems, then Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Variable Speed Polisher is exactly what you need. It has a wide operating range with speeds between 3,000 and 7,500 RPM, giving you the ultimate control to get the exact results you need when you're working. Not only does the Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Variable Speed Polisher do a great job as a car buffer, but it also works as a polisher and a waxer, letting you finish the job with just one tool. One add in the fact that it's extremely durable and long-lasting, and it's worth every penny. But there's no denying that while it's an outstanding choice that's worth it, all those pennies still add up for this buffer. It's a more expensive option, and unless you plan on doing a lot of buffing, you probably don't need to spend this much to get the best of the best.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is DeWalt Buffer Polisher Variable Speed. Picking between Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Variable Speed Polisher and the DeWalt Buffer Polisher Variable Speed was no easy choice. That's because the DeWalt Buffer Polisher Variable Speed has a wide operating range that starts as low as 0 RPM and goes all the way up to 3,500 RPM. Just like the Meguiar's MT300, this DeWalt buffer gives you professional quality results. Another huge perk for the DeWalt buffer is that it comes with a 3-year warranty, so you know it will last no matter how much or how little you use it. It is a more expensive option though, but since you know you're not going to have to replace it anytime soon, we're all right spending a little more upfront. It's an extremely effective tool for both buffing and polishing, but the real reason it couldn't crack our top 3 is its lower maximum RPMs. While 3,500 RPM is high enough for most jobs, if you do find yourself needing a little more speed, the DeWalt buffer simply can't keep up.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is SPTA Buffer Polisher Kit. While SPTA Buffer Polisher Kit might not come from one of the most recognizable brands in the industry, that doesn't mean it's not worth checking out. In fact, if you're on a tighter budget and are working from a home garage, the SPTA Buffer Polisher Kit might be the perfect choice. Not only does this kit come with a polisher, but it also comes with everything else you'll need to get started. That includes the polishing and buffing compounds, the pads, and even microfiber cloths. Even better, it comes with a 1-year warranty on the buffer, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. While you can't pick the exact buffing speed with this kit, it does have 6 different speed settings you can cycle through for different jobs. Moreover, it takes both 5, 5, and 6 pads, giving you even more flexibility. It's an excellent choice for hobbyists or those looking for a car buffer for their own personal vehicle. However, if you work in a professional automotive setting, this probably isn't the tool you're looking for. While it holds up just fine to occasional use, if you're using it every day, it's probably not going to last as long as you want. The other issue is that you can't pick the exact speed, making it a little bit more challenging to achieve professional-level results.